everyone, and welcome back to school this week. We're so excited because this is a very special week. This is our week of being healthy, and we have a lot of different activities across the week special for each day for this special week. And there is lots of things for you to have a challenge at. Now, let's talk about the week of being healthy. Week of being healthy, mind and body is this week, and we have a lot to focus on. One thing each day. We're going to be focusing on our healthy bodies, both with exercise and our diet and what keeps us healthy. Our healthy minds, including things like mindfulness and creativity. Then we're going to be looking at consent. How do we respect each other's rights, our personal space, and what we can do to protect ourselves? We have Remembrance Day, which is the 11th of November, and we remember all those who fought for our freedoms in our country. And then we have Anti-Bullying Day. Together, we can make sure that we are kind, caring, and help each other. So, you know what the week of being healthy is all about. Now, are you ready to hear about the challenge? All right, because this is a really, really special one. This week's challenge is a poster competition with prizes for each class. Yes, that's right. The challenge is going to be about creating a special poster about this week. It can be anything that you want to do about this week. It could be all the different things that we're doing about this week. But the competition is for you to create a poster, which you're going to be doing at some point this week with your teachers. The teachers are going to hand those posters in, and we're going to have some judges look through them and choose some winners from each of our classes. How exciting is that? It is. Remember to be creative, remembering all the things that you've learned during the week to create your amazing posters to share with us in the next few weeks. Okay, it's time to get going. Remember, make good choices, persevere, be resilient, work hard. I can't wait to see all the amazing work this week. Have a good week.